We're going to do a brief chart on Bitcoin price prediction, and we've got a daily chart here for you of Bitcoin. We've got a 5-day moving average in green, 20-day moving average in red, and a blue 200-day moving average. You can see Bitcoin's been in a bear market since January of 2022, and it's been sideways essentially since the third week or so of June, all the way through the summer, all the way through today, October 19th. This is a sideways market. It's trying to catch up to the 200-day moving average and see if it can break through it, but it's still quite a distance away from it. The 200-day moving average is about 26,000 right now, and Bitcoin price today closed at roughly, right to seconds, 19,356. Let's take a look real quick at the weekly chart because it's very interesting what's going on with Bitcoin. Again, below the 200 daily moving average. Let's take a look at the weekly, and we can see it's a very negative chart for Bitcoin. This is the 200-week moving average in blue, 20-week in red, 5-week in green. The 5 weeks essentially gone flat. The price is below the 200-week moving average, which is not, it normally would be very bearish. This is not tremendously below it. It is bearish, but not tremendously bearish. But it is below the 20-week moving average, which is definitely bearish. And then let's take a look real quick at the monthly. This is again this would be a 20-month red and a 5-month green. Again, you could see when you spread it out, very, very serious bear market for Bitcoin. It's got to make its move here soon just to get above the 5-month moving average. It's still below that. So this is a very weak position for Bitcoin. Does not have any serious support until we get down here at the 6410 level. I'm not predicting that, but obviously there's no support when you look at the monthly chart. Let's back up real quick and see if we can see some support on a weekly chart. I don't really see it, but doesn't look like it. On the weekly, there's not a better story there either. So no, not really any support underneath. It's going to take something to jump in here and put some fire under Bitcoin. The low is 17,622, and if it violates that, then it's anybody's guess how low Bitcoin's going to go. But right now, still in a bear market, still bucking the moving averages on a daily, weekly, and monthly, and running up against serious selling pressure because nobody's buying it. It's just not going up, and if they try it, they sell it down. You can see that as evidenced by the lower tops here. If we expand this out just a little bit, we can see every time there's a rally, it's lower than the previous, and that's just indication that people are just trying to get their money back out of it. So that's what we've got for you on the moving averages. Let's move on real quick to the algorithmically generated entry prices that we cover. We're going to move down here and take a look at Bitcoin real quick for October 19th. These are algorithmically generated entry prices for Bitcoin for tomorrow. And these are 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. We've got 19,401 for the 1-day hold and 19,387 for the 20-day hold. You can take a look across the board. Everything but the 1-day hold is 19,387. Buys tomorrow. 1-day hold means get in tomorrow, assuming your own analysis says it is a good idea, and then get out at the end of the next trading day at a loss, or take your profit sooner if you get them. Same thing for the 2, 5, 10, and 20. If you got in on the 20-day hold, you'd get in tomorrow, assuming your own analysis says it was a good idea, and then either take your profits as soon as you got them, or close out at a loss at the end of the 20th trading day. So that's Bitcoin for tomorrow, the 19th. You can get access to these every day before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. Absolutely free, no credit card required. Just go over there, put in your email address, and at rbamresearch.com, and get instant access to 190 stocks, the major currency pairs, BTC crypto that I just showed you, and the most liquid futures contracts. They're out every morning by 7 a.m., but if you go by the website RBAM Research after 8 p.m. the night before, you can usually get early release of BTC crypto. Again, no credit card required. Everything you see in here, including our entry prices and our commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You should always do your own analysis. Can't use our information for anything other than entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.